Hello friends, today we are taking our math test about measuring in centimeters and meters. This test is called making a birdhouse. The directions at the top say, use a centimeter ruler for exercises 1 and 2. So make sure you have your centimeter ruler out and also make sure you are using centimeters. So as we can see right here, these numbers are your centimeters. They are the smaller unit of measurement than our inch. So up top we have our inches and we see that it says the word inch. So make sure you're definitely not on this side, which has inches on the top and the bottom, but make sure you are on this side that has your centimeters here at the top and we see the word centimeters. So double check that before you begin measuring. Carl and Nisha are making a birdhouse. They are going to use nails that look like this. And here we have our picture. What is the length of the nail to the nearest centimeter? So as you measure, look and see what centimeter you are the closest to, and you are going to write that on the line. Carl and Nisha will use string to hang their birdhouse from a tree. About how much longer is the top piece of string than the bottom piece? So again, you are measuring in centimeters and you are measuring the top, measuring the bottom, write out your subtraction sentence and your answer. On the back side, number 3 says, Nisha uses a pencil to mark the wood for cutting. The paper clip is about 3 centimeters long. Circle the best estimate for the length of the pencil. So if I know this is 3 centimeters, do I think this pencil is 5 centimeters, 9 centimeters, or 20 centimeters? You're going to circle the best choice. Number 4, Carl has a board that is 23 centimeters long. He saws 15 centimeters off one end of the board. How long is the board now? So here you have a little number line to help you find the answer, and then you need to write your final answer right here on the line. The board is blank centimeters long now. Number 5. When the birdhouse is finished, Nisha and Carl want to measure its height. Should they measure the height of the birdhouse with a meter stick or a centimeter ruler? You're going to put your answer on the line, either a meter stick or a centimeter ruler, and you need to explain your answer. We will be losing points if we leave this area blank. You need to explain why you chose a meter stick or a centimeter ruler, which means you are not just rewriting your answer and you are not writing because that's what I wanted to use. You need to talk about which is the better tool and why. So make sure you provide at least one complete sentence down here. You can start off with, I used a, and then fill in the blank. Was it a meter stick or a centimeter ruler? Because. So use that sentence frame in your answer. I used a, what did you choose? Because, and explain why you believe that tool was the better choice. When you are done, double check your answers. Sometimes we answer questions too fast before we've really thought them through. So make sure you've reread the questions and rethought about your answers. Make sure your name is up at the top and go ahead and turn it in.